Welcome to my channel, LionCodingInTheAttic. Today we're looking at Lesson 2, ACID transactions in MongoDB, which is part of the last unit of the Introduction to MongoDB course, which is Unit 12. So, what we learned in this short video is that when we perform a single operation like update 1, it's inherently an atomic transaction because it either fails or it doesn't. But when there are several pieces of several documents that are affected, say you want to add an item to your shopping cart, but at the same time you need to remove one item from the inventory, you need to use what they call a multi-document transaction to make it an ACID transaction. And we need to make sure that it's actually very accurate because MongoDB locks all those documents when they're being written on. So we need to be really careful when we use that kind of format. Let's have a look at the quiz. Which of the following statements are true about multi-document transactions in MongoDB? Database operations that affect more than one document, like update many, are not inherently atomic in MongoDB. Yes, that's true, and must be completed by using a multi-document transaction in order to have ACID properties. So that's what I've just explained. So update 1 is an inherently atomic, but not update many because it will update many documents at once. Multi-document transactions should be treated as a precise tool that is used only in certain scenarios. That's what I've explained just before. Using a multi-document transaction with the MongoDB database ensures that the database will be in a consistent state after running a set of operations on multiple documents. Yes. When using multiple document transactions in MongoDB, each individual read and write operation must be wrapped in its own transaction. No. So that's exactly quite the opposite. Okay. Nadia needs to update customer account balances across multiple collections in MongoDB. It's important that the database operations used in this transaction adhere to ACID properties. Should Nadia use a transaction in this scenario? Okay, Nadia does not need to use a transaction in this scenario because multi-document operations are inherently atomic in MongoDB, so that's not true. We do need, if you want to retain the consistency of the collections, that would be the C in ACID, and we'll need to use an ACID transaction, a multi-document operation. Yes. Okay. Cool. Right, that's it for today. I'll see you in the next video. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel, LionCodingInTheAttic. Hit the subscribe button or leave a comment below. I'll see you soon for the next one.